At the fair, Safford, Arizona. This is Mark. I'm with Diane, my wife. There's a lot of people here. Everybody getting something to eat over there. We're gonna go in and see the animals right now. Got all kinds of chickens and ducks, and turkeys, and the whole bit. Where's she at? There she is. There she comes. There she is. Okay, let's go inside here and check this out.
They went to go get pizza. She said, I'll just keep Sarah with me. Okay. She said they're having lots of fun because Ellie.
Oh, that's a cute one. Look at him. Little rooster. Oh, yeah. Look at all the eggs they got. Green. Hello, buddy. Oh.
He can't see.
Look at the eggs. They got green, white, brown, light brown. Hello, buddy. What's up? Look at him. Those are neat looking ones.
I like this. Look at his little sad little face. Look at his big eye. Doesn't he look kind of...
He's only got a little tiny cone on top, huh? Look at that one. Hello, buddy.
Trying to look at you.
Got too much rug on him, huh? Trying to get me in the rear. Oh, that one's pretty.
This one's beautiful.
Yeah, look at him.
It reminds me of Dougal.
You about tripped. They got really nice coats on them.
Or it's missing an eye. Which is it? What's up? It just has like a little spot. Is it sleepy or does it not have an eye?
Oh, I think he's just tired. Because his eyes just closed. Oh, look at these guys. They're cool when they do this. Look at him, baby. Look at how big he got his feathers up there.
Oh yeah, those are pretty.
Oh yeah, looks like fur, huh?
Yeah. Kind of like our yellow one.
Yeah.
This one's happy. See how happy we're doing.
And pigeons over here on the top. Oh, look at that one. That's a long-legged rooster there, isn't it? Oh.
He wants some attention.
That's the one that was being all loud. Oh, look at the rabbits.
This one wanted to touch
Trying to get you. Look at the rabbits behind you. Oh, look at that one. Is that all skin right there? Check that out.
Oh, yeah.
That one's real pretty. Oh, there he goes again. There they go. Cleaning himself, that one too.
This one looks cute. Bad, huh? Oh, this one's real neat.
Oh, look, he's wanting to get close. Let me get back where he can't get me.
says, what are you looking at?
Just leave me alone. This guy's all comfortable. Look at that. He got pretty eyes. They're asleep.
That chicken's asleep.
Oh yeah. Look at how big these guys are. They're huge. Look at that. Oh, this one's pretty. Looks like red, huh? There's a turkey.
Look, he's tired.
He's talking to you.
He's too sleepy. This one's bad though.
That's funny. Is he asleep?
He's baking real good.
Oh, he likes it.
This one seems
Oh, look
bad.
at that turkey. That's how I think it.
We'll go in and look at the sheep, goats and stuff, pigs. Here we are with the sheep and the pigs. I think one of the pigs might be outside. Sheep and goats. This one's tired. Hi. Hi. Oh, the pigs are over here. I was thinking they were all outside. I got some over here. Oh, Porky. Hi, Porky. Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Huh? Look at you.
He's talking to you.
Oh, yeah. They're all pretty friendly. That other one came start talking too. Look at these guys.
Yeah, how sad they didn't do pork chops next week.
Must be. Depends on who buys them. Huh? That's a big one too. Look at that. Oh wow, they cut him up. Look at that.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Poor guy. Somebody needs to learn how to shave you, huh?
He's probably in all kinds of pain now.
Terrible. Look at this one sitting underneath his water. Look at that little tail. Look. Little piglet tail. Oh, poor guy.
That one looks real happy. Look,
Oh yeah, he's looking up at
he doesn't
everybody.
know any better. He doesn't know what's going to happen. Look at this one. He's trying to hide under his little bucket. And look
His
at that
little tail.
guy. He's drinking and sleeping like a baby.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
So how hot he is, babe?
I can't. I got my hands full.
He's real hot. The other ones weren't hot like him.
They're all warm in here now.
Oh, he's sick. The other ones weren't hot. He's hot.
Okay. His name is McSquizzy. Little tail. Okay, well that's all in this area. If you like this, please hit the thumbs up. Thank you. Goodbye.